Let's cherish every moment we have been given, for time is passing by. I often pray before I lay down by your side. If you receive your